Hello everyone and welcome to Deano Outdoors. In this video, we're going to take a look at this wireless Apple CarPlay adapter from Anyfar. So let's jump right in. We're going to be reviewing the model A4 from Anyfar. This is designed for Apple iPhones. Let's begin by looking inside the package and see what's all included. You're going to receive one wireless CarPlay adapter, which can be plugged in directly via the USB plug. It includes one USB-A extension cable and one USB-C extension cable as well. A little bit about this product. This is a 2023 upgrade. It has a dual core chip inside, unlike others that use a single core and some have no cores at all. It states that connection speeds are in milliseconds, unlike seconds like the other brand names out there. Measures roughly 1.75 inches by 1/4 inch by 1 inch wide. With this adapter, if your vehicle is equipped with the voice commands, it can be controlled via that. It can be controlled with the touchscreen or by the dials on your stereo. Now let's go ahead and get this plugged in, connected, and paired up. Step 1, plug it into any USB connection. Step 2, turn your ignition key to on. This is being done on a Ford F-150. You'll see the screen instantly pop up, Apple CarPlay. Hit continue. Agree. It does have a 911 assist setup. I'm going to skip this selection. It's now asking for your iPhone Bluetooth connection. We'll take our phones, go into our Bluetooth connections. On there you're going to see the CarPlay box. Tap that. Pair it. Allow. And then use CarPlay. This is being connected with iPhone 11 for those of you wondering. If you have a different model iPhone, it may be just a little bit different of a system. Okay, since I don't have Siri enabled, it's giving me a warning here, CarPlay not available. You have to enable your Siri in the Settings app. So we're gonna tap, listen for Hey Siri, enable Siri.
Hi, I'm Siri. Choose the...
And we're now connected. Now, after your initial connection, you can go ahead and turn off your key. And when you go to turn your key back to on, the connection speeds are going to be a lot quicker than the first initial setup. As you can see, it instantly connects to my phone. A couple of nice features with this. It can be used via your voice commands on your steering wheel. What is the hottest place on Earth?
Here's an answer from Macomi.com. The World Meteorological Organization has officially recognized Death Valley as the world's hottest place on Earth.
You can also use the menus built in on the touchscreen. You have a list of music, your phone, the maps. You can text message, pretty much anything that you can do from your phone. You can link up to here and do on your radio. You have your news. You got podcasts. You can go to your maps. Go to your now playing. This specific adapter is compatible with more than 800 vehicles from 2016 and up. It uses an auto reconnect feature. The connectivity technology has Bluetooth, USB, and Wi-Fi. And with its dual core chip, it increases the speeds by 5 times, making it a more stable transmission. Whether your vehicle is on a busy street or in a deserted area, your navigation, calls, and music will not be delayed or lagged. It does have a 5.8 plus 2.4 gigahertz digital single transmission and has a very compact design. Well, thanks for joining me today. Now you can turn your 2016 or newer radio into a wireless CarPlay, giving you the ability to use all the features from your iPhone on your car's stereo. Installation is a breeze. Just plug it into your car's USB port, turn on the ignition, and pair it to your iPhone, and within seconds you're up and running. If you guys are interested in checking out this product from Anyfar, I'll have a link down in the description below. If you guys found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up, as it's the easiest way to help support my channel. As always, thanks for watching, and remember to get outdoors with Deano.